What's happening? What's good? Good afternoon, good morning, all of that. It's your boy Beardo back on another Thursday with another Raw Crypto Talks, coming to you live from Discord, right? So we like to come live from Discord because we got a couple of people out there who like to jump directly in and ask questions, and sometimes, hey, I'll wait in Discord for them, but we like to keep it moving, keep it pushing. Let's talk about the numbers because that is what we do here. I hope everybody is having an awesome day. I mean, things are a bit dipped right now, but we'll take a look at it and we'll talk about it, right? Let's go ahead and refresh CoinGecko here. So we're coming from two different places. We'll be coming from Coin Market Cap, and we'll also be looking at CoinGecko, right? So why are we looking at Coin Market Cap and CoinGecko? Because those are the two biggest aggregators out there, right? That means they collect a bunch of cryptocurrency data and they spit it out in a fashion that people like me and some of y'all can understand. So this is where we're going to start from. So on Thursdays, we still like to go through the top 10, right? The biggest and movers and shakers of the market. This is where trillions of dollars of value hides, right? And we may speculate on a direction, on up or down, or who knows, but we're going to take a look at it, right? Let me see. Oh yeah, always the disclaimer, right? Yeah, this is not financial advice and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? We're just taking an objective view on what we're finding here online, right? We're just sorting through it, right? So don't come for us. That's the disclaimer. Boom, let's get to it. So the global cryptocurrency market cap today is 2.39 trillion, and we are down 4.5 for the day. Talk about a dip, man. Yeah, I know some portfolios, man, they are looking good, and some aren't, obviously. But that's all right. If you know where to save your money at, right? And by safe, I mean if you know where to put it off to the side so you don't experience some of the dippage that goes on, then hey, you know, you're a big fan of stablecoin, right? One of the things we are going to talk about, and I'm trying to get into more of a habit of just crossing it and covering it real quick, right? So I still hear some people ask, like, hey, how do I get into crypto? What's the fastest way to get into crypto? Well, if you haven't heard, Bitcoin is on Cash App. If you have Cash App, boom, you have a crypto wallet. All you need to do is your KYC, go ahead and get registered, and then you can buy and own Bitcoin in that wallet, right? You can also do it at crypto.com. I mean, crypto.com is probably one of the best centralized marketplaces out there. So I'll leave a description and link to crypto.com. They have these really nice Visa cards as well. I mean, it's free Netflix. They give you vouchers on that. Spotify, all the way up to like fucking what is it called? What is it? The Prestige Lounge in certain airports and stuff like that. You know what I mean? It's some perks. They got some perks for holding your crypto over there. Enough about that. So Bitcoin is down 5.2 for the day. Take a look at Bitcoin. That thing got 900 billion backing it, right? Second up is Ethereum, sitting at 487 billion, and we're talking about market caps. So if you take a look at where our current today market cap is, we're sitting at 2.39 trillion. So almost a whole trillion of that is just Bitcoin. Half of that is just Ethereum. So if 60, almost 60% of the funds or the value is in the top two. So that's why we take a look at the top two, just to get a sense of how things are doing, right? So we got Bitcoin. Bitcoin's down 5.2. We said that. Ethereum in at number 2, down 7.6. Ouch, with the 9% down for the day. I mean, for the week. So it's taking some hits. We'll come back up to Bitcoin. We'll take a look at the price chart in a second. But for now, let's go ahead and get through these top 10. Binance Coin is down 7%. USDT's dollar coin is chilling, it's sitting where it is, right? And if you ever asked yourself what's the difference between a coin and a token, well, the difference is coins run the network, right? When you hear Ethereum is a coin. Whenever you're on Ethereum network, you have to pay Ethereum fees. Tether is just a peg off of Ethereum, right? It's just like a little, it's like a small depository that well, not small, 76 billion right there, but you know, it gives you a place that has stability, you know. So, and it's held at $1. That's the whole point of USDT. That's why it sits where it sits at number 4. After number 4, we got number 5, Solana. Solana is down 6.8 today, so you're gonna see a lot of red today, right? We might even flip the marketplace over and see what's actually doing good in all of this sea of red. Next up, we got ADA. ADA's at number 6, down 6.9. XRP is up next, only down 0.7. Look at XRP trying to hold strong, but XRP was taking hits earlier, so you know, I still think they got a lot of recovery in them. USDC, hey, welcome to another dollar coin, right? If you don't know what a dollar coin is, guess what? It's $1, right? It stays at $1. When things go up, it stays at $1. When things go down, it stays at $1. If you round, right? 999 is where, you know. But there are still people who play around in those. What is that? The millionth place over here where this one is. There's still people who play around there, you know. Significant digit flips. You know, we don't get into that tonight though. So next at number 9, we have Polkadot. Polkadot is down 9.1%. After Polkadot, we got old Terra Luna. Man, Luna just was like, hey, I'm coming. I'm getting in 10th place. I'm staking my place in the top 10, and I'm pushing Doge out. Yes, I'm all right with that. Right, I actually seen some news earlier, not on Doge, right? Because Doge is just Doge. Anyways, I seen some news earlier on Shiba, and it was hinting towards Shiba actually connecting with some video game software makers, right? Actually trying to provide a purpose to that token. That's better than Doge still. But hey, we just some dudes on the internet talking about cryptocurrency. So whatever, right? We'll keep it moving. But that's what the news is. And if you know the term, buy the news, sell the hype. Buy the news, sell the hype, right? Everything's dipping right now. When things go up, stuff's gonna go up, right? Now, let's see if we got some mentionables down here. Of course, Matic is always a favorite mentionable of mine. Crypto.com, I was talking about that earlier. BUSD is exactly what it sounds like. It's a dollar coin on the Binance peg, right? Or the Binance side. Chainlink, yeah, we see you. But let's take a look at this price chart for Bitcoin. So right now we're still 4.9. Maybe things could have changed here in the last 10 minutes. Let's see. We're still 4.9. So nothing really changed there. We're at, see, Bitcoin's sitting at 48,000 right now. It actually dipped down to 47,000, which was kind of worrisome, or not that worrisome. It's more of a support zone, you know. And by support zone, if we, let's say we just take a 90-day look at our Bitcoin chart, right? Just a simple price line chart. We can see, you know, higher highs, definitely, right? Higher highs up till October, then come to November with another higher high. You know, when it hit that 68,000 up there, man, I know people was going crazy. But of course, you have to have some retracement. You have to come back down, right? If there's a lot of energy that pushed it up, we have to come down and test these crucial zones. That way we know, hey, there's stability there. Because every time Bitcoin goes up, more infrastructure gets put in place once it dips on the retracement. So healthy markets move sideways. They're trending up, somewhat down. Long as we don't see a lower low, right? Now let's take a look at just a trading view. So taking a quick look at our Bitcoin trading view, right? We're looking at hours, right? So all of these, sorry about that there. There we go. So all these candlesticks you see, by candlesticks, I mean these bars that you see with the slender, I wonder if I can thicken that up. Let's see here. This should be a little bit easier to see on that little bit of video that y'all got there. All right, so you see a thick body of the candle with a very thin wick, right? That's what the red is. This means that it started at the bottom, went all the way up here, and then stopped right here. This one started at the top, went all the way down here, and stopped right here. Right? And that's just how these candles act. Gives you an idea of when you see actionable signals, right? This is a good sign somewhat, right? You still got this whole bar right here, but good sign is we got out of this bar. We went all the way back up to 48.7, but we dropped back down, closed here, and started a new bar down here, but now we're higher than the last body closed. So things are looking in the right direction so far, but hey, who knows how long the retracement is going to happen, right? So if I go and I take a look at more than just a few hours here, I can go back to December 6th and see that the lowest we had was roughly 47.2, right? But that was just in December. If we go back a tad bit further, let's actually change this to days. That way we get a more objective view. Sorry about that. Let's get a day. There we go. I'm just gonna bring this back to normal size looking. Alrighty. So you can bear with me on this. You see, we got, see where we at, 48 right here, right? Earlier we touched what? 47-ish, right? But if we take our cursor back and go and we take a look here, this is the last zone that we need to test, right down here. All right, let's see if we can zoom in a little bit there, and I'll tell you that's around September, around here, right? I mean, don't get me wrong. I feel like we're clearing structures right now. As far as us moving as low as we moved in January, the likelihood of us moving back down there, I don't just because we've tested this zone twice already, right? And that's what gave us enough momentum to get to this zone up here, right here at roughly at 37,000. So if we dip down this low, I feel like Bitcoin, I feel like Bitcoin could move in force. Bitcoin might already be moving in force. It definitely, we could see a candle wick that dipped all the way down to 42 right here, right? Trying to test the zone from back from October, showed in force, moved back up, cleared up here. That's good. To me, it's a good time. But that's just a quick market analysis of what I think is going on. There's a lot going on in the world, right? Look at, we're down a whole nother percentage, just like that. But anyways, things are turning maybe. But there's a lot going on in the world, right? Can't talk about too many particulars and whatnot, but check the news, right? See what's going on overseas, see what's going on over here, right? One company, Evergrande, they have to do with crypto, but they defaulted on their payback there, and that's what maybe some of this might be, right? So, anyways, keep it hot, keep a look at the tokenomics, and hey, stay vigilant, and Beardo out. Hey, that's all we got time for on Raw Crypto Talks podcast. Join us next time.